Hey, Mickey, let's go, baby. Go, Mickey. You're going on the bus, Mickey. Go on. Bye, baby. Go on, Mickey. Bye, Mickey. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today is Michaela's first day of kindergarten. Woo! Yeah, you're gonna go to school today. Yeah. Finally. Are you happy? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's brush your teeth. Ooh, you got your Barbie toothpaste.
Yeah.
So nice. Good job.
Whoa! Oops.
That's a big one. It's okay. You gonna turn it on? Okay, brush. Good job. You do your tongue? Good job, Piggy. Let me see your teeth. Cheese. Yeah, wash your face. All clean.
What we get drunk at?
Okay, get your egg, Mickey.
Hey?
Mm-hmm.
We'll have no egg.
Okay, come. You gonna crack your egg?
Yeah. I'll cut an egg.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Good. Now squish it now, Mickey. It's gonna. Yeah, that's good. Oh. Wow. But not too much, okay?
Okay.
Just a little bit. Okay, that's good enough, I think. We're gonna put some salt and pepper?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, let me put some salt in there, just a little bit. That's good. Mickey's gonna make her egg for her breakfast on her first real day of school.
And JoJo egg.
Oh yeah, you're making an egg for you and your brother?
Yeah.
All right. So you just whisk it like that.
Let's put it in the pot.
I'll do this part now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you,
I want
Michaela.
my own way.
You love your water bottle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A heart.
A heart, yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna put some water in it when we're packing your lunch bag, okay? Okay, I'm gonna pour Mickey's egg in. Wants to make scrambled egg today. Mickey, here's your breakfast, sweetie.
Thank you.
Are you enjoying your breakfast, Mickey?
Yeah.
Almost done?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Blessing! Blessing! Oh, did you lose your breakfast? Mickey, you're leaving me. Why are you leaving me, Mickey? Don't leave me.
I'm not leaving you.
You're gonna come back for mommy?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Oh. You like your outfit, Mickey?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's so cute. I like your jacket and your skirt.
Yeah, I like my nice.
Yeah, it's so nice. You have to pick a bow to go in your hair, Mickey. I don't think yellow is a good choice, Mickey. Yeah. Yeah, maybe this one is better
Yeah.
to go in your hair. Let me see.
It's good. Ow.
Okay.
That was hurting me.
Sorry.
Wow, it looks so pretty.
Yeah. Let me see. Okay. Turn around. Let me see it, Mickey. Turn around. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, Mickey, turn back. Yeah. Okay.
There ain't there.
Yeah, you're A plus, A class. You're gonna get all A's, right?
Yeah.
Good girl. High five, baby. Oh yeah, you look so pretty, Vicky. Oh my God! First day of kindergarten. Can you turn around? Let's see your bag. Let me see your bag. Oh, Mickey, it's so cute. You're gonna have a great day, Mickey. All right. Okay, so today I make macaroni and cheese with sausage, and I'm just gonna fill Michaela's container up. That's good. So this is Michaela's lunch today. She's having strawberries and orange. She likes cheese, juice box, yogurt drink, and her macaroni and cheese. Sounds fun, Mickey? Sounds good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's pack it up. Good job. You put it in your Barbie bag?
Yeah. Yeah, all of this.
Yeah. Okay. Put the rest of your stuff in. Put them in. Good job.
Strawberry this?
Mm-hmm. And yogurt drink.
Oh, look.
And close it. Close it. Good. Now we're gonna put it in your backpack, okay? Let's go. Bring your water bottle and your Mickey, I'm gonna wait for the bus to come. Yeah. You gotta say bye to Blessing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a way.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, Mickey, let's go, baby. Go, Mickey. You're going on the bus, Mickey. Go on. Bye, baby. Go on, Mickey. Bye, Mickey. Bye, Mickey.